Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to unlock home screen layout on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you have previously locked the arrangement of apps on the main screen so that it's not messy, but now you want to change the layout, don't need to be worried guys, because you can change the layout of apps on the home screen again by turning off the arrangement lock. And how to do that is very easy, so yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first is now you can go to home screen and you can pinch on the home screen until the menu is popping out like this. And then after that, now you can click on the settings menu and then scroll down, and now you can unlock home screen layout like this. So yeah, from now on you can change the layout of your home screen. Okay guys, so yeah, here the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.